Just a small pause. That is, when in presentation you present your topic with information, never ever forget your starting should be excited and filled with so much energy. But right now your presentation is on the spot. आपकी ऑन द स्पॉट प्रेजेंटेशन है ना, तो उसमें गोइंग विद एक्टिंग विद जीरो एक्सप्रेशन एंड जीरो एनर्जी विल मेक पीपल कंफ्यूज कि हो क्या रहा है. शी वेंट गुड, शी वेंट विद राइट इंफॉर्मेशन, बट देयर आर सम ऑफ द थिंग्स व्हाट यू शुड ऑलवेज कीप इन योर माइंड. Very first one, first you're supposed to define what that topic is in limited lines. Hi everyone, आज हम अपने बरियंस के साथ जाने वाले हैं प्रैक्टिस द प्रेजेंटेशन. इस सेशन में सिंपली होने क्या वाला है, हम अपने बरियंस को रैंडमली कुछ टॉपिक्स देंगे, बट उस टॉपिक पर हमारे बरियंस को प्रेजेंटेशन से रिलेटेड, उस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन को शेयर करना है. और उस इंफॉर्मेशन को शेयर करते हुए जब भी हमें कुछ लगेगा कि उनकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज, उनके कंटेंट, उनकी स्टार्टिंग या एंडिंग में हमें कुछ सजेस्ट करना है, सो वी विल सजेस्ट देम. तो चलिए देखते हैं हमारे बरियंस की इम्प्रॉम्प्ट प्रेजेंटेशन. Ready?
Yes.
So first I want Mahika to come up on stage. Ready, Mahika?
Yes, please.
So Mahika, you are going to speak on child laboring. 1, 2, 3 and go.
Child labor. We all are here children, but we do study. But some children don't get the chance to study like us. Those are the children that are forced to do labor. For example, if you go to any place any Chaitapuri, then there I have seen one child that was doing labor there.
Stop. Just a small pause. That is, when in presentation you present your topic with information, never ever forget your starting should be excited and filled with so much energy. And that comes up when you place your information. So you're supposed to go like this. According to the report of one of the great organization, it was said that there are number of children which are facing child laboring every single day. Like this.
So
Share any data.
let's start.
Share any data. Go with some questions. Questions can be, have you ever heard this word or this concept like child laboring somewhere? You can raise your hand and can show me your energy by that. Either data, okay, go with some facts and figure, okay, or you can go with some questions which will engage your audience. And last but not the least, very amazing one, that is going with quotation. Quotation as like, I have got chance but not rest. Something like this, okay. Children are called as, or you can go like, children who are called as so pure, so sweet, but they are never given so many rights what we have just registered in our constitution, but not in real life. Something like this, okay. Some statements, some powerful lines which will actually bloom their brains, okay. Start again. 1, 2, 3 and go.
I got the chance to educate myself, but not some other people. So, what do you think exactly the child labor is? Whom of you know what child labor is? Raise your hands. Avyay.
Well, like when less than 18 age children are not going to school to get education, but they are doing work to get money.
Exactly correct. So, child labor is a thing that it is even against our constitution, that children are forced to do labor, and not even that labor. Some children are not even don't even get paid for it. Why is it here, and why is it also illegal in our constitution? Well, shouldn't we also? We are mature. Us children, today's generation, if you see, we are mature. We should get the right to do jobs. But with jobs, we should also manage our education. And this education is the power. And without it, we cannot do anything, as we have also know. But if we don't get any education, then how would we balance our lives? That is the reason it is illegal in our constitution. and many people, it was banned in 2000, but before 2000 it was legal of human trafficking, and many children were even trafficked and forced to do labor known as child labor. Just think about it, 2000 was so close, it has not even been over
Okay.
half a century.
Stop that. She went good, she went with right information, but there are some of the things what you should always keep in your mind. Very first one, first you're supposed to define what that topic is in limited lines. As like, what is child labor? It is a kind of process or one of the social issues, not a think. You mentioned think. It is one of the social issues and social concern where our society is required to focus on. And what is that? Where the students, the kids who are supposed to study in this age are forced to work in factories and some areas. And this is illegal in India. That's how. Then another question. That's how you should divide your presentation. Because if you go like this, it is called as a speech. But in presentation, things should be managed in different divisions, in different categories. Then only people take interest. Got it? Give me a high five. Clap for her. Nice confidence, Mahika. Sit down. Next, who would like to be? Okay, let me call Samarth. Clap for Samarth, our former coordinator. Ready? Okay. Samarth, for you, the topic is going to be Save Girl Child. It is one of the social issues. So go with you starting as I told you. 1, 2, 3 and start.
Why are you throwing my girl? She is my girl. Why you are throwing it? So like only this in our society it is happening more to the girls and
Okay.
all.
Just a small pause. Fine, you are going with the role play and it is actually a nice idea. We must go with. But right now your presentation is on the spot. आपकी ऑन द स्पॉट प्रेजेंटेशन है ना, तो उसमें गोइंग विद एक्टिंग विद जीरो एक्सप्रेशन एंड जीरो एनर्जी विल मेक पीपल कंफ्यूज्ड कि हो क्या रहा है. सोच के देखो, व्हाई आर यू थ्रोइंग? तो इसमें प्रॉपर एक्टिंग होनी चाहिए थी ना. गिर रहे हो आप, हे व्हाई आर यू थ्रोइंग, प्लीज लीव इट. देयर शुड बी प्रॉपर एक्टिंग ऑफ इट. बट अगर एक्टिंग नहीं हो रही है, इसका मतलब सिर्फ हो रहा है. सो बेटर इज ईदर गोइंग विद fact and figure in starting, data, that according to the data of Indian government, it has been said that in every single day there are, I think, more than 100 of girls. They are not safe. They are always killed because of some reasons. ऐसे कुछ बोला जा सकता है. Either going with information or going with any quotation. Save girl, save future. We have listened it many times, but how many of you actually implement it? Go slow, calm, composed. Then only people will stay and will listen to you. So today my topic is no. Go relax. Save girl, save your bright future. Hi everyone. Pause though. Going with quotation, going with data, going with information, going with questions. How many of you feel that we should save girls? I think everyone. But how many of you take actions against it? Zero. Hi everyone. अब यहीं पर एक नोट के साथ छोड़ दो और आगे बढ़ो. Then tell what am I going to. Start again. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3 and go.
Why are you throwing my girl? She is my girl. See, my wife has did this thing for.
Okay, go with any quotation or question.
Okay. Save girl, save the future of the girls.
Wait. Relax your body. Stable body language. Have some space between your legs. Come forward. Okay, look at everyone. Okay, and do not move your body. Now say it. Slowly, clearly. Speak up.
The girls of this society and the aunties or the uncle are throwing the girls that much. It's called somehow rape cases of the girls. The people of this people.
No. Samar, here we have to first give them information related your topic. So don't explain so many things. Explain only one line. Okay, girls, called so pure by heart and energy. What if we don't save them? कुछ ऐसा, कोई small quotation, and then move. That hi everyone, then speak up.
Okay.
Don't move. Start.
The people of this generation don't think that she is girl or any more thing. They think she is not anything for us. She is only girl. What can she do for
Stop.
us?
Hi everyone, I'm Yasin. Do you think the same, guys? And then begin your topic. Start.
Do you think same like it? What I'm thinking, the girls of this generation, or the girls are trained by the aunties or the uncles of this, mostly in cities, because in the cities people don't want girls. They think only boys are good. They can beat anyone in in cricket or any type of sports, or in also any more challenges they can win. And
Wait. Now don't become Rajdhani Express. Relax. Now tell them what is the topic of yours, because you're just speaking. Now tell, do you know what I'm going to talk about? And then speak up.
so do you know what I'm going to speak now? The girls of this generation are that much pure, but the people of their thing, they don't see what she is, and also the people like girls, and before girls no one is. In the girls, only girls can save our future, like the quotation, la slogan beti bachao beti padhao, a slogan of it, and by it only we can understand.
Okay. That's a clap for him. Samaj, always remind one thing in your brain. Don't get panicked to speak. I want to speak this, and no. Don't add like this. Go relaxed. Clear. Okay? Speak less but speak best. Okay? Clap for Samaj. Next, Yuvika. Ready, Yuvika?
Yes, we.
Okay. Go stable. Okay. Shall we?
Yes.
Okay. So your topic is going to be, what is discipline? Discipline should be your presentational topic.
A word discipline describe about your personality, your action, and what you are doing in your life. Discipline is most important thing. Discipline is most important thing. Like by doing your actions, showing your personality like discipline, doing your tasks, doing your goals
Okay.
is
A small pause. Here, it's good that you're explaining well, and she actually came up with right confidence. But along with this, she forgot the right introduction of a presentation, in which she skipped her name and what is she going to go with. She directly jumped to the topic. Directly jumping on topic is not wrong. गलत नहीं है. But the point is, how will audience get to know about it? वो कैसे समझेंगे? So first, small definition of discipline. Then, hi people, I know you are more interested to know what is it exactly and how can we improve it. Let me tell you. आवाज में change. Okay, साथ साथ आपके introduction, then main content, then ending. Simple. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, and go again.
Hi everyone, this side is Yuvika, and today I will here to tell you about most best thing, that is discipline. Discipline makes you a perfect in the world. A word discipline is telling about your personality, action, what you are doing, making your tasks, goals. If you are not disciplined in class, in everywhere, like in tuition, schools, so it is damn sure you are failed. You are not perfect. By being a discipline is most important. Being a discipline is most important.
Thank you so much. Great. Give me a high. That was good. Clap for her, guys, and it was actually clear and crystal. Set. Okay, so for you, the topic is going to be the role of social media in present world. Ready? Start.
Every kid is watching phone, operating phone every time for hours and hours, for not just minutes. So what I'm exactly talking about is social media and even about the phone. Why everyone is addicted to phone and the social media, and what's the important role of them in our life? Let me explain you. The first of all, the importance role in our life, that they help us and they help us and
Okay. Now here why there is a stop. Stop इसलिए आया क्योंकि अचानक से सब ब्लर हो गया कि क्या बोलूं. Because starting was so good and after that we forgot what to speak now. को जेंटल अपने ब्रेन में ना कुछ क्लासिफिकेशंस आप कर लो कि मैं जैसी भी स्टार्टिंग खत्म करूंगी मैं पहले ये बताऊंगी मेरी ऑडियंस को व्हाट इज सोशल मीडिया एंड देन विल मूव टू व्हाट कि इसके प्रोज एंड कॉन्स क्या है, मतलब नेगेटिव एरियाज क्या है, पॉजिटिव एरियाज क्या है, और उनको ज्यादा स्ट्रेच नहीं करूंगी. आई विल गो पॉइंट टू पॉइंट. पॉजिटिव पार्ट, इट हेल्प्स यू एक्सप्लोरिंग. सेकेंड, इट ऑलवेज connects you to the world. And third, very important one, it tells you a lot about others' life. And last but not the least, there are so many trendy topics about what you don't know, but through social media you can get to know. Now the point comes negative part. Let me explain you that as well. Essay. Now you have division in your brain, meaning pros and cons, positive, negative, and at the last, conclusion. Okay, go once. Short note. Start.
so as every kid is operating phone, but not for minutes, for hours and hours. Why? Because the interesting apps are there, the interesting videos are there in the apps. And what's the main role of social media in our life? So the main role of social media in our life is like they help us. And even how, like, yes, you can app, there is Google. As Google, you can search anything, like whatever, what there are, how many kind of diseases are there, they will tell you how many kind of diseases are there. If you will ask what is going on in India right now, they will tell you what is going on in India right now. But also in social media there are two types of face. What two types of face are there? Some, like, a person is having negative thing, and sometimes also like positive thing. So
Clap for
same
her.
as
She's telling clearly. Got the clarity?
see.
थैंक यू सो मच. सो देखा आपने, हमारे बरियंस ने गलतियां करी, पर उन गलतियों से उन्होंने ये सीखा भी कि प्रेजेंटेशन इज नॉट सो टफ. हर एक एक्टिविटी बहुत इजी हो जाती है अगर आप उसको रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस दो. ऐसे अगर आप भी चाहते हैं कि आपके बच्चे भी ट्रेन हो ना ही सिर्फ इंग्लिश के लिए, ऐसी कॉमन एक्टिविटीज के लिए जैसे डिबेट, प्रेजेंटेशन, डिस्कशन, तो आप भी ज्वाइन करा सकते हैं अपने बच्चों को बर इंग्लिश अकेडमी का प्लेटफॉर्म. थैंक यू सो मच.